is? What are we talking? Potions? Oh, okay. You're training them right. Baby witches, you gotta start them when they're young. Bye. On command. Oh, come on. How about this? Tell me a joke. Tell me something funny.
Let's see.
Okay, no, I see what you did there. Happy Halloween to you all, in fact. And say, I can't be the only magical girl in town. Anyone else? Okay, come to the front of the class then, bitches. I have a question for you all. Oh, go ahead. Okay, back to business. All right, come on in, get on out, come on in. Now, witches to the front. Tell me, witches, are you deserving of your power? You are a little bit quiet. You know why I'm asking, right? Because I take power from the undeserving. It's kind of my thing. So let me just ask one more time. Witches, I'd like to know, are you deserving of your power? Aw. All right, fine. I'll let you make your way. For now. And happy Halloween from me, your neighborhood witch. Oh, and reminder to all the parents, I'm a great babysitter. So, if any of you need any help with that. Oh no, please. Say?
Agatha.
Shut up.
Agatha.
Yeah. Okay, so since you're good at singing, are you all students of the ballad?
Of course.
Well, then I'd love to hear it.
Okay. Down, down, down the road, down the witch's road.
Like a witch.
Down, down, down the road, down the witch's road.
Okay, that was really good.
Shut up.
But that, okay, give it up for the witches in the corner, everyone. Pretty good. Say, you know what? If I hadn't already conjured the road, that might have done it. Maybe. Well, gee, honey, it is the season of the witch, don't you think? What was that? Oh, well, you got good taste. And I mean, come on, check it out. Holding up pretty good for hundreds of years old, don't you think? That, well, it's kind of my color, but I'll share. I guess.
Me too.
Well, you wear it. No, heck, no, hold on a second. That's a witch. If ever, and that's a compliment coming from me.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what's your specialty? Let's see.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Conjured up all these looks, really.
What was that?
I conjured up all their looks.
Did you?
I did.